What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home network Wi-Fi, there's never been a better time than around Black Friday. We are in no way sponsored by Amazon or Eero and any of that stuff. We just personally use it, we've done it for years, and we have a current 6E setup right now. However, if you are looking to future-proof your home, you might be looking at the next-gen technology, that's Wi-Fi 7. While it is very limited in what devices support that currently, the new Eero Max 7 is possibly one of your best options. All of these routers, unfortunately, are towers just because of how Wi-Fi 7 works, so they are much larger than last generation 6Es are. However, what you get with these, especially this Eero here, is awesome. We are actually going to pair it with a 6E network that we have, like I said. This is good. One node, I should say, is good for coverage up to 2,500 square feet. So this is going to be our main gateway, and the others are going to be little ones around the house. One's actually going to go in the garage for better service there and all of that. Having said that, this is a tri-band router. I'm excited. Your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Maxes utilize Wi-Fi 7. This could be very good to have if you're interested. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and setup. So like you saw in that intro, here is the packaging for the Max 7 tri-band networks. It gives you wireless speeds up to 4.3 gigabits per second, which is amazing. You have two 10 gigabit Ethernet ports and two 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. And again, it covers a house up to 2,500 square feet and supports over 200 devices with this single node. Really awesome and great if you have a ton of smart devices, smart door locks, all that stuff. Obviously, you can see all this. We're not going to read through it all, but to give you a breakdown of the specs on this alone, it is 8.73 inches tall by 7.24 inches wide. Again, by no means is this as small as the 6E, like we said, and here it is, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison to show you just how much larger this is. But beyond that, you do see all your ports in the back that we just talked about, and the USB-C power port. Then you have all of the other little breakdown and information on the back here, talking about how this is ideal for gigabit plus internet plans up to 10 gigabits per second. It is backwards compatible, like we said, with previous generations of Eero, and will continue to get updates. It's compatible with Eero built in on select Amazon Echo devices, and it only takes a few minutes to set up with your phone. It works as a smart hub as well to connect to Thread devices, as well as Matter and Zigbee. All in all, very, very nice. And of course, they're going to try to get you to sign up for their Eero Plus plan for that additional subscription cost. We're not going to cover that here. We don't utilize it, but some people might like it. Simple tear points right on the side to get into the box. There should be one on this side and one on the other one. So we will go ahead and rip through this and open this up. Let's go ahead and shake that out. And okay, here it is right off the bat. And again, yeah, this baby is much larger and taller than before. And like we promised, here is that side-by-side comparison. It's not even close. You can easily put 2 by 2 probably on these almost to equal one of the Max 7s. But again, technology currently, it needs to be in this shape. So moving this to the side for a second and getting rid of the 6E briefly, you are also going to get some other items in the box here, and that is actually a nice braided Ethernet cable. It's actually a really nice cable. And your power connector, which again, like we said, is USB Type-C as well. So if you're familiar with Eero as a whole, the setup process is pretty seamless. All you're going to need to do is go into the app and get this set up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get this plugged in, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we got the new Max 7 plugged in right here. You can see the blue light in the corner flashing, ready to go. And all you're going to do is launch the Eero app. And it is very simple. If you're not familiar with it, it's absolutely easy to navigate, and it really does basically dumb things down so we can set everything up as quick as possible. All you're going to want to do is go to the top right corner here at the plus sign, click plus, and you're going to say add or replace an Eero device. When you do that, it'll ask you now two options since they do have that new outdoor 7. If it's indoor or outdoor, obviously this is indoor. We're going to say next, and it's going to go ahead and search trying to find it. Once it actually does locate the device, you should be good to go and we'll be able to place it as needed. So as you can see here, it says looking for device. Stay close to the Eero device that you're setting up. Hopefully this should only take a second. But as we know, nothing is ever that easy. But here we go. As you can see, Eero's Max 7 supports speeds up to 10 gigabits. If your ISP speed supports more than 2.5, connect your modem or fiber ONT using your Ethernet cable, yada yada, to one of those two ports on the right side of the device. And it's going to set it up, and it's asking where this is going to be. We're going to put this in our office, and now it is already getting set up. And it is as easy as that. It is now part of the network. It was literally that easy. Just a couple clicks and you're good to go. You can either finish setup or add another one if you got a whole new mesh system for the Max 7. We didn't, so we're going to go ahead and say finish setup. And now it says, let's get your network up to speed, update to the latest software. Of course, we will go ahead and get this taken care of right now. It says no action needed, your network is now updating. We'll say got it, and it is giving you, yet again, the offer to buy their Eero Plus service. I'm not interested, we're just going to X out of that. Could be beneficial, like I said, for some people, but we are not currently interested. And you can see now, the Office Gateway is set up, it is updating the internet, and we will be able to continue and really speed test it and go about all our regular features as needed as soon as this is done. But for this video, it's literally that easy. Let me know what you guys think. Is the size a turnoff for this? Are you a fan of the new Wi-Fi 7? Or is it still kind of pointless since it is so limited in what can currently connect to it? Let us know in the comments below. Again, those affiliate links up down there as well. We greatly appreciate it if you use that. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.